Yeah, started recording. So everybody know it's recording now. Okay. Before that, right, I would like to introduce everybody. Welcome to IDP lecture series, right? And we have Dr. SITI, JUITA, MASTURA, BINTI, SALEH, an expert from FKMP, right? FKMP is the mechanical and production, right? Manufacturing.
Engineering.
Engineering in UTHM.
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. JUITA is an expert in aeronautical, right? And she know the inside out of the business itself and the science itself, right? And we have been collaborating for MCO. So I appreciate his knowledge and expertise. I would like to share, request her to share the knowledge and that everybody going to explore. Probably some days,
Yeah.
right? Researchers, you will be going to meet this application in some days, or maybe in relevant application that you might want to use drone and technology. And what are the rules and regulation in Malaysia? Right? Bukan saja main-main saja tanpa sewenang-wenang je. There are rules and regulation overview by Malaysian government and international law. I'm not expert. I can't go deeper on this the content itself. I hand it to Dr. Zuita for the delivery of her sharing. So you may ask and post your question in the chat. Anytime. I believe I welcome any questions. I welcome any question. Thank you very much. Dr. Zuita, your stage.
Okay, thank you, Dr. T. Hi, welcome everyone. So, Dr. T, if there is any question on the chat room, then let me know sebab I tak nampak dalam screen ni.
Yeah, I will read to you later on,
Okay.
probably in the later stage. Okay.
Alright. Okay, everyone, welcome to the IDP Talk series. I think this is the second time Dr. T invited me to share about drone. Okay, so this time we're going to take a look of safety in drone operation and research and development, meaning that operation, safety in drone operation and also in R&D. So as I've been informed, this session attended by postgraduate student, master, PhD research students. So some of you might use drone, okay, in your research. So this is actually the basic that you should know, because actually we need about 5 days minimum if you really want to know about the basic air law regulation, human factor, basic general knowledge. We have the syllabus about 5 days, but today since we have about 1 hour, so I'm gonna pick some topic that I think is important. It doesn't mean that the rest is not important. Maybe next time you can come, or we can attend training, or come to see me just for sharing. Okay. So safety in drone operation and R&D, ensuring compliance and best practices. Okay, I'm Dr. JUITA from Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. Okay, so first I'm just going to share our past program. This is some of the program that we run. Which is related to drone. Okay, to the left is the team join the aerospace. We call it SAS, Selangor Aviation. Selangor Aviation. SAS. Selangor Aviation Show. Selangor Aviation Show. And then this is a community development. We go to Simpang Renggam and we engage with the people there. They are very interested to learn to new, and we don't want anyone to miss this. Okay, we want everyone to explore, to and know how to use this technology. Okay, because when we know the basic, then we can use to apply in many things, many areas. Okay, here we do demonstration in that time with Ministry of Higher Education in Simpang Renggam. This is the training we run for drone development. This is STEM program. Okay, we teach use the educational drone for STEM program. Teach the programming to primary school student. Okay, this is some of the past program run. Okay, drone name. This is actually interesting because drone have a main name. We talk about the same thing, but we call with a different name. Okay, I'll give you an example. First, UAV. UAV is drone. Okay, because drone is a unmanned aircraft vehicle, or we call it no man aircraft. And then unmanned area system. We have UAS. This is called by FAA. FAA is a Federal Aviation, the American, authority. Remotely piloted aircraft system, also the same thing, but we call it RPAS. Who calls this? In ICAO. ICAO is a standard procedure, international standard procedure. Okay, in the document, ICAO document, it mentioned as RPAS, but it also means drone. Okay, in Malaysia, CAM, Civil Aviation Authority Malaysia, okay, call drone as unmanned aircraft system, UAS. Okay, you might come across the different term, but it actually represent the same thing, drone. Okay. What is drone? Okay, we have this little small little note here. An aircraft and its associated element are operated with no pilot on board. It could be fixed wing or multi-rotor, as long as it has no pilot on board. Okay, actually, I think a lot of you are familiar with this. I just share this for just sharing. Okay, what drone can do. Okay, area photography for shipping and delivery. This is for cargo, recreational entertainment, geographic mapping. Okay, for work, disaster management, used by rescue team. Okay, bomber, precision agriculture, SARS, search and rescue, weather forecast, wildlife monitoring, and many more. Okay, last time we received request from WWF, not the wrestling, okay, WWF, because the one with the panda logo, the NGO, they want to monitor the wildlife. Okay, but some of the track they cannot access. Okay, so they come to UTHM and they request for training how to monitor the wildlife. Okay, this is some of the application. For disaster management, search and rescue, we also last time we also have request from bomber udara. Aku tahu English dia, okay? Bomber udara pun datang, okay, came to UTHM and they request us to give training, but they for flying no problem. They came to us because they want to know more about how to maintain, how to repair, how to develop drone from scratch. Okay, and many more. Right. So this is an example of drone applications, just for introduction. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this. UAS, Assisted Wireless Network. UAS assisted. When we take a look at these two photos, okay, the first one, what can we see? Okay, actually it's like invisible signal that we can't see. Okay, it's very busy. Take a look at this, okay? The relay drone, surveillance drone, delivery drone, agriculture drone, and all this is assisted by wireless network. Okay, communication relay between a base station and core network. Surveillance drone, okay? We can see this is an end user. Even the traffic controller also use a wireless network. And here, okay, at the photo at our right, rotary wing drone, we have all this wave and everything. Okay, everything here use the wireless network to communicate, to send the signal and receive the signal. But what could go wrong here? Anyone?
Crosstalk, something like this. Signal being tapped by enemies.
Yes, yes. The signal, definitely spot on. The signal, it could be tapped by enemy, the signal lost, and then what happened, the bad thing is, it can crash and could lead to fatal accident. Okay, these are important things that we need to know. Okay, some of the established brand as well, drone, the drone is okay, but sometimes it could be like uncircumstances and something that we cannot um, control. Okay, for example, you fly the drone, you look at the weather forecast. Oh, okay, it's going to be sunny days, but suddenly after 5 minutes, then rain. You cannot control that. Okay, the rain, you have to call your drone back home. Okay, return to home, and then wait for the weather. Why we cannot fly the drone using during rainy days? Ah, because
Drone bukan waterproof.
bro, betul. Waterproof, dia ada IP dia kan.
Yeah, yes.
Some motors like very high IP. But usually bila hujan dia akan sometimes dia kacau dia punya electromagnet, dia punya signal. Okay, so what could go wrong is the signal. That thing you need to know. Okay, any of the student here own the drone? Dr. Tia, ada tak yang angkat tangan?
Please, anybody have experience with drone? You may raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes. Zulfa, yes. Zulfa Aziz. Ada lagi yang pernah experience? You may have drone or maybe have operate drone before. Ada ya?
Ada.
Saya pun tak pernah pun.
Ada tak yang tiba-tiba drone dia hilang kontak?
Or lost mission.
Yes, lost mission. Pernah tak? Ada tak yang kat tangan?
Ada tak? Lost mission maksudnya buang duit lah.
Lost mission, yes, you lost your money as well lah. Because it happened to us one time. We fly the drone and then the building near library FKEE lost connection. Okay, lost connection, and the thing drone ni dia for example you use DJI ni dia ada dia punya when you turn on and you start fly, dia akan ingat, dia remember the first yang you terbang tu location as your home. Okay, jadi bila lost connection, dia akan automatic balik home. But the problem is bila lost connection, dia by default dia akan terbang 30 meter atas, okay, before they fly back home and return home. So kalau dekat situ ada pokok ke, ada building ke, dia akan terus langgar.
Okay.
So
you mean the what I call the drone tu that is pada diri sendiri tu, drone tu AI tu tak cukup lah maksudnya.
Dia betul dia tak ada obstacle avoidance kan.
Yes.
Yeah, for example DJI lah, dia memang ada return to home. Lagi satu, return to home when the drone dah berbunyi beep the weak battery. Okay, then please call your drone balik. Otherwise the drone will calculate the distance and if they think the maximum it can stand flying, tapi bila you tak balik, dia akan automatic juga balik.
Okay.
And kalau ada building ke, ada pokok ke, anything, dia akan terus langgar. Okay, bear in mind.
Yes. So I think the technology probably in some days, right? They overcome all these things because this now all well known, right? Well known already.
Well known. Dia dah ada macam Mavic 3 they dah ada integrate dah lebih banyak sensor, but it's costly lah.
Mavic 3 from DJI juga kan?
DJI juga, betul.
Ya, yeah, betul. Betul.
Hmm.
Please
Okay.
continue. Yes.
Alright, okay guys. So this is a signal interference. Example of signal interference for metal. Okay, this is a tower. Okay, electromagnetic field can divert the signal, metal structure, can divert the signal, okay. And this is the block signal from the building. Okay, this is the example of the signal interference, how signal interference can happen. Okay, now I'm proud to present Finance Try 20 UTHM first agriculture drone. Actually, this is our first project, okay, with Dr. T and team, FKEE, FKMP and FPTP. So we developed this agriculture drone for PPNJ. For MPIB, Pineapple.
MPIP.
Yeah, Malaysia
MPIP.
Pineapple Industry Board. So this is what we do for multidisciplinary department. Okay, so from FKMP prepare the drone. FKEE prepare the IoT system for the plantation, okay, for the MPK and the sensor and everything. And FPTP, they do the social study. Okay, this is actually in Senai 2021 after COVID, yang ni first kita rasmikan Okay, kita rasmikan di Senai as our first UTHM home, we can say homemade agriculture drone. Okay, this is just one example of the drone that has been developed through R&D. Okay, let me share. Yeah.
Okay. We've seen the integration of the management technologies, mechanical, electrical, right? So this is eventually become a commercial solution, right? Okay.
Okay. Okay, Dr. T, the R&D doesn't stop there, right?
Yes.
Because we can see Dr. T last time brought to the cargo drone lab the what the portable, right?
Portable this
IoT system.
IoT system. We
Yes,
make it
yes.
into second version, second
Second version.
prototype improvement. Improvement.
Yes, yes, definitely. This is
Yeah.
just the start, right? Where when we develop this, a lot of things that we learn,
Yeah.
and then we use it to improve.
Yes.
Okay, this is the sharing to show you that from R&D we can turn into up to the commercialization standard, industrial standard. Okay, just a piece of advice. If we do something, you uh, we develop until people can use it. Okay, it's not just on paper. Okay, kalau boleh just not on paper, and then we give something that the real industry can use it. Okay, ni just untuk bagi semangat lah.
Yep.
Okay, our first baby, right? UTHM agriculture first agriculture drone. Okay, ini just nak share. Ni pun ada sikit lah. Share. Sini our drone lab.
Kita juga, I think the program also includes education, right? And also promoting this drone in the what I call STEM program, all these things, right?
STEM program, yes, and STEM program, and for it depends on the level of the student. Okay, for primary student, we teach more on drag and drop, but still control, programming, drag and drop, colorful, and for teenage, okay, for teenage secondary school student, we learn from scratch. We teach them to build the drone from scratch. Okay, it's just we just finished for last 2 months. Okay, last month we have program with 10 school in JB, in Iskandar Putri. They pick 10 school, 50 students, and we teach them from scratch how to solder, how to tune, okay, how to tune the drone, And then last kita buat race. And biasa, okay, yang ni I nak share sikit apa yang kita ada di FKMP drone. Okay.
Oh, ada yang besar, ada yang kecil kita nampak So far kalau drone dekat Mama kan, Mama tu kita ada ramai researcher kan. Dah ramai juga penyelidik master PhD dah apa tu involve
Betul,
kan,
dah ramai.
dah ramai lah. Buat masa ni
drone.
kita nampak drone. And ada yang sudah habis graduated dah. Okay.
Ya, betul. Dah ada yang Nuruddin, our master student kan yang
Nuruddin
Nuruddin already graduated. Okay. This is the IP. Okay, the IP that this is for the Panet Strike project. Okay, we produce 4 IPs. And actually, Dr. T, in FKEE now, ada tak project yang related to drone?
So far kita tak specific to drone
Okay.
Now FKE now we fancy on IoT.
IoT.
a lot of IoT project in healthcare, smart cities, in energy monitoring, right? In a number of tema lah. So macam lebih kepada IoT lah, fancy
lebih
on
IoT,
solution. Yeah, but specifically on drone so far, probably I think a couple lah, not many. A couple may venture in sort of this submarine or on waters rescue system.
ROV.
Yeah, ROV, and then drone I think on hobbies purpose ada lah. Ada orang ada FKE, ada researcher yang ada beli DJI. Saya pernah ada orang main dekat FKE. Ada.
Okay, because just want to share right now we are developing we call it Raja Drone. Raja Drone tu untuk for monitoring UTHM Okay, kita buat untuk UTHM Raja Drone monitoring, and then Tiong Lap, we call it Tiong Lap. Tiong Lap is a drone to clean the window.
Okay.
Okay, yang tu kita buat tethered drone lah.
Ada satu lagi yang satu orang I think Dr. Abu ada pernah suggest satu research topic di mana gunakan drone untuk fire rescue.
Fire rescue.
Ya, lepas tu hose tu dibawa pada satu ketinggian tu gunakan dengan drone tu untuk memadamkan api pada mungkin 2-3 tingkat tu, tapi dia kena kuatlah angkat air tu kat tu.
Yeah, I think that the same concept lah untuk yang kita guna to develop the Tiong Lap, because Tiong Lap pun dia sama juga dibawa bawa apa pipe air tu untuk cuci. Untuk cuci tingkap. Same concept lah.
Same concept, betul.
Just sharing yang apa yang R&D yang kita buat sekarang.
Betul. Banyak juga. Banyak.
Okay, now we focus on the categories. Okay. Drone categorized into 3, okay, which is the first one is small unmanned aircraft system. This is for a drone that weight 20 kg or less. Okay, the second category is small unmanned surveillance aircraft, where this drone is equipped with the surveillance, any form of surveillance to get the data. Okay, the second category, and the third one is UAS more than 20 kilo. Okay, usually take a look at quick guide here. Generally, any drone with camera like Mavic Pro, Mavic Mini, Phantom, okay, fall under this second category. Okay, this is a drone category. Less than 20 kilo, more than 20 kilo, and they equipped with the devices to get the data. Okay, now this is actually the basic for law for drone. Okay. Drone less than 20 kilo for hobby, recreational game, the rest you take keluar. For drone with camera or sensor, okay, even your intention is just for hobby, recreational purposes, you must obtain the permit from JUPAM. Okay, permit from JUPAM through online, and when you need to mention reason for shooting, not for commercial, competition or research purposes. Okay, why? Because Japan will check what do you call it? Japan will check apa dipanggil ya? Yang 2.4 gigahertz tu.
Oh, frequency bandwidth.
Frequency, yes.
Frequency
Okay.
bandwidth.
They will check the frequency you're using. Dia akan check dia punya spec lah.
Yeah.
So you kena obtain permit from JUPAM. How to obtain? You just go to JUPAM website, okay, and then you apply.
Oh, JUPAM pemetaan.
JUPAM. Pemetaan, betul.
Waktu dan pemetaan.
Okay.
Sama dengan IoT lah. IoT tu kalau kita ada wireless kan, kita kena sekarang kita kena meet tu yang international frequency band tu.
Frequency band
China
dia,
berapa frequency, Malaysia berapa, Asia berapa kan. Dia kena ada frequency band dia supaya tak kacau.
Oh, iya, kalau yang tu siapa yang approve kalau IoT?
Dia IoT tu sekarang ada satu international body yang macam umpama the Think Network kan. Tapi dia sekarang dia bukannya jadi satu apa tu law lah, tapi lebih kepada sepatu nasihat dan rules kan.
Okay.
So pada India pakai 915, kalau pada Europe 868, kalau di China 433. Dia ada frequency band dia. Macam radio lah, kita jangan cross talk.
Okay.
Macam radio. Okay. So sini untuk drone juga begitu dari segi frequency band dia.
Betul.
Betul. Saya rasa munasabah. Dia kena consider juga sebab wireless kan.
Wireless, betul. Okay. Tapi biasanya kalau kita pakai yang standard punya, standard contoh macam DJI dah standard, usually no problem lah, but we still kena bagi tahu dan selanjutnya tak ada masalah lah, dapatlah permit tu. Okay, ini biasanya kalau yang DIY drone kan, kita beli dari luar, beli kamera, beli equipment dia, and then kita integrate sendiri. Itu yang kadang-kadang jumpa akan tengok lagi detail lah. Okay. Take a look at the second point. Maximum flight altitude remain at 400 feet. 400 feet equivalent to 120 meters above the surface of Earth. Okay, ataupun sea level. Okay, kita kan actually yang ni ramai yang kadang-kadang tak sedar dia fly more than 120 meter. Because kalau kita guna Mavic Pro, Mavic Zoom, it can go more than that. It can go up to 2 kilometers.
Oh, the
distance ke atas tu. Okay, what's the problem if we fly more than 120 meters? Okay, the problem is kita ada airspace. Okay, dekat atas pun ada highway tapi kita tak nampak. Actually dekat atas kita sangat busy. Okay, dan kita punya airspace ni kita ada pecahkan pecah ikut kelas-kelas. Okay, aircraft kelas mana, kalau drone masuk dekat kelas mana. Okay, for drone maximum flight altitude is below 120 meters above. Do not fly over than 120 meter above. Okay, walaupun drone tu boleh pergi jauh, but do not fly because kita tak nampak apa yang ada kat atas. And 120 meter, kita punya airspace ni kita share with helikopter, kita share with untuk emergency. Okay, yang tu pun kita kena tahu. Walaupun kadang-kadang kita tak nampak. Okay, you tahu tak macam bird strike, okay? Bird strike tu burung je. Okay, but bila they hit the aircraft engine, it could lead to fatal accident. Okay, dia masuk ke engine, blade patah, the engine malfunction and then boleh crash. Same goes to drone. Drone pun it could be like drone strike. Okay, boleh terlanggar aircraft yang kat atas yang kita tak nampak tu. Okay, faham pasal tu adalah airspace. Okay, The third point, for drone racing or competition, permit penjumpai are required together with letter of acknowledgement from the organizer. Ini kalau nak buat drone racing lah, kalau nak organize drone racing, we need also to get the JUPM letter lah. Okay, map or location of the competition, height of flying, drone specification include information organizer. Okay, fail to do so, Malaysia Royal Police will take action. Okay, because law ni pun dah ada. Okay, macam mana nak senang? Bukan nak senang lah. Kalau you nak buat drone racing, tapi you tak nak pun, tak nak go through this step, you boleh buat indoor. Okay, kalau indoor, kita tak tak terikat dengan this rule.
Indoor maksudnya macam stadium ke atau
Macam
mungkin padang besar macam ni okey lah macam.
Tak, dia kena indoor, kena ada bumbung. Betul.
Ada bumbung lah, macam DSI okey lah.
DSI dekat dalam dia. Tapi kita drone
padang
racing
besar tak boleh kan? Padang besar
tak boleh sebab dia open space. Kalau open space kita kena follow this rule. Okay, just nak sharing lagi. Satu lagi projek yang kita tengah buat R&D is we already dah ada grant. Okay, we ada grant to build a very big cage. Okay, actually cage tu kita propose untuk letak dekat hujung golf range.
Okay.
About two level building tinggi, big cage. Okay, so that we can use that cage to test our drone. Okay, untuk R&D, boleh buat IoT. That is the idea. Okay. It's not for FKMP only. It's not for the team only, but it's for all the researchers. Okay, staff, student, researcher. Itu satu lagi kita punya projek sekarang. Nak buat big cage.
Itu sebab untuk abide the rules abide the
betul.
rules. I think that is very important follow the rules, right?
Follow the rule. Okay, limited aperture.
Saya mau tanya trigger satu soalan. Kalau tak abide the rules, apa jadi kepada owners?
Okay, dia macam ni Dia ada rule, you boleh denda up to 50,000.
Okay.
50,000, it depend on the case lah. But up to 50,000 and boleh masuk jail. If not mistaken 2 years je. Jail.
It depends how serious the scenario is lah. Okay.
Yes, how serious. Okay, kadang-kadang kan kita macam tengok okay je, tak ada pun orang tangkap. Sebenarnya dia punya rules tu dah ada. Cuma kalau orang report, nanti you akan kena. Contohnya macam you bawa kereta, you bawa motor tak ada license, you bawa kalau tak accident, tak jadi apa-apa, orang tak report, okay. But if anything happen, itu yang akan jadi masalah. Okay, boleh kena denda up to 50,000.
Betul. Kalau kerja-kerja serius kan, kerja serius kan selalu we need to use that system, right? We need to make it legitimate lah.
Legitimate, yes. Definitely.
Betul lah, betul.
Okay, do not fly above crowded area and over or within restricted, prohibited or danger area. Okay, why we cannot fly above crowded area? Macam actually kalau ada konsert ke, kalau ada bola ke, kita tak boleh fly ke atas orang. Why? Because if the drone lost signal, dia akan terus crash. Memang dah ada case yang di overseas lah, it crash dan orang tu memang meninggal.
Oh, meninggal lah. Okay.
Yes. It could lead to fatal. Yes. Do not fly above crowded area. And kadang-kadang kan kita tengok macam dekat DSI bila kita buat gimmick drone, bila masa rehearsal okay. Tapi bila orang ramai, dia dah start signal dia. Kadang-kadang dah disconnect, lost signal. Tapi tempat yang sama, kita rasa okay. Masa on that day hari kejadian dia jadi problem.
So that's why I think gimmick drone sekarang dah tak jumpa sekarang dekat DSI atau acara-acara saya tak nampak sekarang. Dulu ada kan? Dulu ada. Sekarang
sebab
dah tak ada.
Dia banyak kali dah jadi. Kenapa? Kadang one of the reason is because bila ramai orang dan banyak signal banyak signal dia akan cross, orang pakai wifi banyak dekat dalam tu. Okay, dia jadi pening sikit lah drone tu. Okay.
Kalau drone yang jenis macam Doraemon, yang Dragonfly itu macam tu macam mana ni? Ini kalau jatuh tak mati kan rasanya.
Dia tak mati.
Tapi pun tak benar lah, tak benar.
Dia ada je drone yang kita boleh main indoor. Kalau
Indoor
macam
lah.
biasanya yang educational drone, memang untuk indoor.
Indoor lah, ya.
Bila kena pun tak injured lah.
Tak
Contohnya
injured lah,
macam
yang
kita Telo, Parrot Mini drone yang kita banyak guna untuk STEM
palm
program.
size lah, palm size.
Palm size. Yang tu memang kalau kids main pun terkena dia tak injured. Kalau nak indoor, main indoor. Satu lagi, dia ada satu lagi mode yang kita boleh tukar. Kalau kita takut masa indoor tu hilang signal, kita pakai altitude mode. Altitude mode ni, dia akan maintain pada altitude yang kita set. Let's say kita fly 5 meters, okay, dekat dalam dewan. Dia akan maintain 5 meters, cuma dia akan bergerak-gerak. Dia tak static. Itu kena skill lah.
Okay.
Itu altitude mode, bukan GPS mode. Okay. So this is the regulation. MCA is Malaysia punya Civil Aviation Regulation 2016. Yang ni actually published by CAM. Okay, this regulation that related to drone memang spesifik kepada UAV ataupun dipanggil UAS lah kalau CAM. Regulation 140. Regulation 40, ni saya cakap tadi yang pasal airspace. Regulation 140, no person shall fly an unmanned aircraft system in class A, B, C or G airspace. Okay, classes dia A, B, C and G. A, B, C and G. Kalau nak fly, kita kena dapatkan kebenaran within an aerodrome traffic zone. Tak boleh aerodrome traffic zone ni yang dekat dengan airport lah. Okay,
so,
at the height.
Regulation ni sama juga kena apply daripada macam apa tu Air Flight Malaysia macam tu kena apply yang regulation yang sama sebab civil law kan.
Betul. Dan ini dia spesifik pada UAS.
Okay, kepada UAS bukan kapal terbang besar.
Bukan aircraft. Bukan. This regulation 140 dia macam dalam satu buku regulation tu MCA ni ada semua regulation, and then regulation 140 specific to unmanned aircraft system, no person shall fly in this class within aerodrome traffic zone. Dekat airport tak boleh. Kalau dekat Le Grandier, kalau you try juga nak fly, take off, nanti you punya drone akan turun sendiri. Dia dah
begitu lah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then at the height of more than 400 feet above the surface of the earth. Yang ni dia dah cakap dah pun dalam regulation, memang tak boleh above 120 meters 400 feet.
Saya baru yang saya nampak juga ada juga yang macam taman-taman kan. Orang duduk taman, dia fly drone dekat taman, lepas tu dia pusing atas rumah-rumah tu. Adakah dia menjadi satu isu? Isu tu drone regulation ni ke atau isu yang mengenai privacy ke atau benda-benda lain?
Dia ada juga regulation, ada termasuklah regulation sebenarnya.
Ya, dekat resident area kan.
Betul. Okay. Tapi dia ada note kat sini, unless authorized by the Director General. Okay. Unless kita dapat authorization from CAM lah. Okay. Dia punya default dia tak boleh. Okay, cannot. But in special case ke ataupun you ada apa-apalah projek ke, you tengah buat study, tak tahulah national level ke apa, if you need to fly in this area, then you have to get authorization from CAM.
Does it mean that if we have any project with agriculture or maybe in a mountain or any wildlife rescue in somewhere near Taman Negara, we need to get approval from this director?
Betul.
Yes.
Okay, this is from CAM, okay. Tapi sebelum dapat director, kita dapatkan pada JUPAM dulu. That's the JUPAM dulu.
Boleh.
Okay, this is regulation 140. Okay, ada lagi application authorization under secretary shall be made to the General. The person in charge, they shall not cause or permit any article or animal whether not attached in parachute to be dropped from unmanned aircraft system. Okay, yang ni dia dah masuk dah regulation 140. Now kita tengok regulation 141. Regulation 141 ni dia emphasize to aerial work. Okay, aerial work for UAS. No person shall fly an unmanned aircraft system for purpose of aerial without the authorization. So kalau you nak buat apa-apa aerial work, nak buat aerial filming ke apa ke, kita mesti dapatkan kebenaran daripada Director General, daripada CAM. Okay, memang dah ada dalam Regulation 141. Okay, now Regulation 142. 142 focuses on small unmanned aircraft. The person in charge of smart aircraft may fly the unmanned aircraft if he is satisfied that the flight can be safely be made. Okay, ini yang kita kena check kita punya drone system sebelum kita fly. Okay, kena check dia punya condition tu. Okay, kalau you tengok dia punya motor dah satu tak function ataupun dia punya physical contohnya propeller dia ada yang dah sebelah tu dah terpatah sikit ke, so dia nanti akan jadi unbalance. So bila unbalance, bila you control, dia tak akan follow apa yang you minta dia buat. Okay, dia tak akan follow you punya control tu.
Okay.
So dah maksudnya you kena make sure that your UAS is in a good condition to fly. Okay, dah ada regulation. And then sekarang the person in charge on small unmanned aircraft shall maintain direct and unaided visual contact with such small unmanned sufficient moderate its fly past in relation aircraft persevere vessels and structure. Okay, ini maksudnya the person in charge of small unmanned aircraft ni maintain direct and unaided visual contact. Okay, yang ni kita ada term tau. The term is VLOS, visual line of sight. Okay, VLOS. Visual line of sight means that you punya you punya drone, you boleh nampak dia. Okay, nampak tu maksudnya dia bukan di belakang bangunan ke ataupun tak terlalu jauh, so you boleh nampak what happened to dia pergi mana. Okay, without tengok pada kamera ataupun tengok pada skrin. Kena visual Okay, that's the visual line of sight. Okay, dan ni the person in charge of small America shall maintain direct and unaided. Itu yang dimaksudkan unaided visual contact ni is from teropong ke, tak boleh pakai. You pakai controller kan, kita ada juga smart controller kan. Itu dikira aided So you maintain Alright.
Itu maksudnya tak boleh jauh sangat lah.
Dia tak boleh jauh sangat. But dia tak boleh sangat, tapi kalau kata benda tu jauh, ada cara dia. Okay. Ada cara dia macam mana kita appointkan visual observer. Dia panggil, the term is VO, visual observer. Visual observer ni will assist you. Okay. Dengan syarat you punya language tu sama. You faham apa dia cakap. Dia untuk phrase ataupun command between remote pilot and visual observer, kita tak ada standard phrase asalkan dua-dua faham. Macam kalau ada emergency ke, dia nampak kat depan tu ada drone lain ke, dia cakap climb. So automatic naik atas atau up.
Okay.
Macam tu. Atau disarm. Disarm tu disuruh, maksudnya disuruh landing. Land. Itu adalah phrase atau common phrase yang language between remote pilot and your visual observer boleh faham. Okay, visual tak semestinya seorang, boleh jadi 2 orang, 3 orang, 4 orang. Okay, asalkan visual observer tu boleh nampak, boleh maintain the visual contact dengan drone tu.
Boleh.
Okay.
So there is a way lah for what called a large scale coverage on land, right? So there's a way for application, yes.
Betul. Okay. Now regulation number 143. 143 small unmanned civilian aircraft. No person shall fly small unmanned civilian aircraft. Ini surveillance in any of following circumstances without the authorization from the Director General over any designated area within 150 meters of any designated area. 150 meters maksudnya kalau 150 meters is the radius, so the diameter is 300 lah. 300 Okay. Over any assembly in the open air of more than 1,000 person. Ini yang cakap kalau kita pergi konsert ke, pergi tengok bola ke, dah ada dalam regulation ni. Okay, so mereka tak boleh fly over any assembly in the open air more than 1,000 person. Okay, within 100 50 meter of any assembly in the open air of more than 1,000 person. Okay, maksudnya kena within ni lah. Okay, within the distance, within 50 meters of any vessel, vehicle or structure which is not under control of the person in charge of the aircraft. Okay, maksudnya kalau ada kereta orang or public, okay, you tak boleh, you kena make sure you are within 50 meters, okay, from that vehicle ataupun struktur bangunan semualah. Okay, within 50 meters of any person. Okay, and within 30 meters of any person during takeoff or landing.
Ini dia dapat satu cabaran dia. Kalau umpama kalau kita buatkan satu drone system untuk quick deliver needed drugs to patient, something like a project Mak Saleh buat tu, dia dah macam ni tak sesuai ni.
Tapi dia kena tengok juga, mungkin dia boleh buat not over dia ada route dia. And then route tu kita boleh propose lah to CAM.
Okay, dia kena ada path dia dah. Okay.
Kena ada path dia and kita boleh propose to CAM. Kalau CAM grant, then you boleh carry on lah.
Umpama ada application yang nampak tu dia deliver parcel kepada satu fixed point dekat resident area. Atau dia deliver makanan tu kepada satu fixed point dekat itu gunakan drone kan. So dia kena plan lah. Kalau umpama Malaysia we intended to go through this drone delivery into a resident area, then so what is the challenge?
The challenge satu betul lah, nak maintainkan dia punya nak ketepatan tu. Dia tak deliver dekat rumah sebelah. Rumah sebelah. Orang sini order, jiran ni dapat makan. Precision lah, satu precision. Okay, satu lagi of course itu adalah BV loss dia panggil. Okay, V loss is visual line of sight, BV loss is beyond visual line of sight. Beyond visual line of sight dia ada satu skill lah. Kalau sekarang CAM, okay, CAM ada dia ada training, ada keluarkan macam it's not like a certificate for VLOS, okay, RCOCB, Remote Pilot Certificate of Competency for VLOS, and then ada certificate untuk BVLOS. Dia ada dia punya modul training dia. Okay, kalau kita tengok dulu 2019 UTHM ada masuk post Malaysia untuk pasal drone. Okay, angkat 2 kilo, tapi di Putrajaya, kalau kita tengok Putrajaya is restricted area. Kita tak boleh fly.
Government area.
Itu ada government, betul. Kita tak boleh fly situ. Tapi untuk that competition yang Post Malaysia buat, boleh fly kat situ. Kenapa? Because dia dapatkan kebenaran daripada Director General pada CAM dan CAM approve. Okay, cumanya dia apa yang dia perlu buat, biasanya dia akan propose dan ada risk mitigation lah. Dia kena buat risk assessment. Okay, kena bagi biasanya bagi area dalam bentuk coordinate. Okay, so this is the area that we are going to fly, to use, and then akan bagi risk assessment sekali akan buat. So dia akan tengok lah level risk tu. Then baru dia akan bagitulah approve atau tak. Bukan tak boleh.
Saya mau tanya kalau ada regulation ni, government bagi license tak untuk drone application atau dia hanya dia keluarkan kelulusan and then is work for lifetime.
Okay, sebenarnya sekarang ni untuk yang nak fly drone mesti ada certificate of competency.
Okay.
RCOC dia panggil. Okay, RCOC itu for basic. Okay, mesti ada yang RCOC tu, RCOC basic, and then kalau you nak fly agriculture, dia ada satu lagi untuk agriculture, module agriculture. Which is module agriculture tu memanglah kita pandai kan, bukanlah kita pandai, yang orang yang dah biasa dengan drone, dia tahu cakap aku pandai je buat drone, kenapa perlu pergi training ni? Perlu pergi satu nak belajar pasal law, pasal regulation, and then kalau agriculture, how to handle dia punya racun tu, chemical.
Okay. I see the point lah. Government's going to monitor, regulate, or if anything happen, right? Yes.
Ya,
Dia
betul.
kena kompetensi ni macam mana? Kena renew orang yang operate tu.
Dia ada, tapi tak selalu dalam 5 years if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
This
So
kenapa penting tu, sebab kita nak update kan, kalau ada new teknologi, new regulation, kat situlah kita akan update.
betul. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Just nak sharing lagi, kita UTHM, we in the final stage actually to become the certified drone academy, we call it RPTO. So last stage ni, kalau kita dapat approval by the CAM, UTHM kita dapat keluarkan certificate tu. Okay, for our staff, for student.
Yeah. I think that is the value added to UTHM and FKMP. Yeah. Okay.
FKMP and UTHM as well. Okay.
Yes.
So kita buat tu pun kita fokus untuk betul value added lah pada staff dan juga kita punya pelajar-pelajar lah yang nak gunakan drone. Okay, kita boleh keluarkan sendiri final station tu.
Okay. I think that's excellence. Excellence.
Okay, application under subrogation shall be made to designated area for the purpose of designated area means, okay, apa maksud designated area? Means any area which is used for residential, commercial, industrial or recreation, yang bawah ini tak nampak ni. So yang ni, over designated area ni yang dimaksudkan designated area is inilah residential, perumahan, commercial, industrial or recreational area. Okay. This fall under regulation 143. 144 is for unmanned aircraft system more than 20 kilos. Biasanya 20 kilos ni lebih kepada yang special US project lah, agriculture lah, untuk kalau kita kat Malaysia ni kebanyakannya. Okay. No person shall fly unmanned aircraft having a mass more than 20 kilo without fuel, without authorization. Okay, kalau student, if any of the lecturer, staff or a student yang nak develop drone more than 20 kilos, then dia kena check this regulation lah. Okay, kena dapatkan authorization daripada CM. Okay. Ini yang kita cakap tadi. Vision frequency, RC frequency 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Okay, this is MCMC punya notice. Okay, the radio frequency yang allowed. Okay, macam mana kita nak tahu allow ke tak MCMC ni? Untuk drone kita, sebab tu kita kena hantar, kita kena buat application kepada JUPM. Dan JUPM yang akan check. Okay, dia akan link dengan MCMC lah. Okay.
Frequency band, frequency band. Okay.
Who to contact to fly? Okay, if you own a drone and you want to fly the drone, who are the person or organization that you need to contact? First is SIRIM. Okay, SIRIM MCMC ni for new imported model. Okay, for example, our drone that we have, okay, we have in Avitech. All the drones are SIRIM certified, meaning that even though it's a DJI model, a standard model, we didn't do any modification. We buy that drone, we bought the drone, and then we send to SIRIM to get the authorization letter, to get the cert that the drone can be used for training. Okay. They check the spec, the manufacturer. Okay, biasanya kalau yang standard tak ada masalah lah. Kalau okay, then dia akan keluarkan sijil. Okay, it's a good to know that all our drones that we use in Avitech is safe to use. Okay, semuanya dah ada SIRIM punya approval. Okay, then CGSO ni untuk Sabah Sarawak lah, kalau kita nak fly di Sabah Sarawak. Kalau ada staff ke student ke nak buat research atau ada project di Sabah Sarawak, they have to contact CGSO. Okay, or other agency related to that area. Okay, ini hanya di Sabah Sarawak. Okay, Department of Survey, JUPM. Okay, JUPM ni kena dapat approval letter. Okay, biasanya apa yang diminta masa kita nak apply tu, apply online saja. Okay, we need cover letter from company and SSM. Okay, client letter kalau ada, okay, you buat untuk klien, dapatkan client letter, UAV spec that you're going to use for that purposes, okay, permission letter from agency which is related to the particular flying area. For example, kalau you nak fly dekat dataran Batu Pahat, you need a permission letter from Majlis Majlis Bandaraya, MBBP
MPBP, Perbandaran,
Majlis Bandaran Batu
MBBP,
Pahat. MBBP.
Perbandaran, PBP.
You kena minta permission letter daripada tuan tanah tu lah.
Okay.
Okay. Kalau you nak fly dekat dalam kawasan mana, tengok, then you need to submit as well the permission letter. Okay, you are allowed to fly in that area sebab kita tak nak masuk dalam orang punya kawasan.
Okay.
Okay.
Kalau atas tanah sendiri umpama ada umpama kelapa sawit ke atau tamanan buah-buahan, tak ada hal lah.
Tak ada, sebab dia punya dia adalah related to the particular flying area.
Okay, that area lah. Okay.
That area, okay. Permission letter kalau kita punya sendiri tak perlu minta lah. Kalau macam kita UTHM, kita nak fly dalam UTHM dan kita tanah kita sendiri, dan tak perlulah dapatkan ni. Okay, radius and coordination, image in Google Earth view dalam KMZ file. Okay, radius and coordination meaning that kalau you ada that area, then kita kena bagilah radius dia ataupun point-point penjuru dia. Okay, so that know where is the exact area that you are going to fly your drone. Okay, jadi JUPM akan check area tu adakah okay atau prohibited ke, restricted ke. Okay, dia dapat check daripada situ. Okay, then the final is drone pilot and photographer information. Kalau ada lah photograph Okay, drone pilot and photographer information, copy of passport, identity card. Okay, usually these are the documents that you need to upload online, okay, dalam JUPM punya website.
Okay. Nampak ada cover page daripada company SSM tu. Maksudnya kalau hobbies applicable tak untuk ni?
Kalau hobbies tak applicable.
Hobbies umpama sekali-sekala kita sekali-sekala kita main kita untuk itu kita tak kisah sangat dah.
Tak perlu. Jadi macam contohnya kan Avitech kita nak apply practical area dekat Padang Kawat tu. Yes. Kita kena upload lah company SSM. Okay.
Betul.
Okay. This yang ni kan, it will take about 2 weeks to get the approval. Kalau cepat-cepat lah. Kalau okay, dokumen semua cukup, 2 hari boleh, 3 hari boleh. Depends Depends on document and dia punya proses lah. But
kena bayaran dah? Kena
RM50.
RM50 lah.
Okay. After you get the approval from JUPM, then you need to get approval from CAM pula. Okay, dalam CAM yang tadi lebih kepada tanah. Okay, yang ni CAM ni okay, apa yang dia nak kita isikan UAV form, company SSM, okay, client letter kalau ada, then MCMC certificate of UAV, macam kita dah ada yang SIRIM ni kan, certificate ni boleh upload kat sini. Okay, maksudnya you punya spec tu meet lah kita punya regulation in Malaysia. And then JUPM approval letter, sebab tu kena dapatkan JUPM ni dulu. Then permission letter for agency which is related to the particular flying area. Yang ni samalah macam yang kat atas ni. Okay, dia nak tengok juga radius and coordination, sama juga yang you dah bagi pada JUPM tadi. Emergency response plan. Emergency response plan ni you kena buat lah if kalau ada maksudnya dalam plan tu kat mana tempat berkumpul assembly area kalau ada kebakaran. Kat mana nak pergi, kena ada emergency plan, kena ada contact, okay, who are the person that yang you kena contact in case of emergency, number bomber, tu you punya plan lah yang kena masukkan. Okay, bomber, ambulance, klinik, okay, emergency plan dalam ni.
Saya mau raise one more question. Dr. JUITA.
Okay.
Ini who to contact tu lebih kepada orang yang betul-betul mau fly the drone kan?
Betul, yes.
Yeah. Kalau orang yang jual beli dia tak kena mengena lah.
Tak, sebab dia tak fly.
Dia kalau nak pada Shopee ke ada saya kedai ke saya jual beli itu jual beli maksudnya kita niaga kan. So ini tak kena mengena lah. Melainkan kita fly.
Ini yang nak fly.
Okay.
Drone pilot
so jual beli tak ada halangan.
Tak ada halangan. Tapi you kena tengoklah yang you beli tu meet ke tak spek di Malaysia ni.
Okay.
Buyer yang
Okay.
kena check. Jual beli tak ada
Okay.
masalah.
Okay.
You dapat jual banyak, you kaya. Okay. These are the person yang penting lah You get a SIRIM first. Okay. Contact MCMC ni. Untuk check technical spec. Okay. This is for the new imported model saja. Tapi biasa kalau you pakai yang standard punya, DJI punya standard, dah tak perlu dah kat sini, you terus je apply pada JUPM. Dapat approval JUPM, then you apply CAM. Okay. These are the example, the equipment that we have in Avitex. Okay, we have Mavic Air, FPV, Mavic Mini, Mavic 2 Zoom, Mavic Pro, Phantom 4. Okay, kita sudah sini. And tepi ni is sijil yang kita dapat lah. Okay, sijil yang kita dapat, sijil SIRIM. This is example. Kelulusan khas, special approval, Avitex solution, okay. Technical declaration ni untuk DJI Mavic Pro. Okay. Approval date 2022, expire date 2027. Lepas 27 expired, kita kena hantar balik. Kena dapatkan balik. Okay. These are the example lah. Ini untuk Mavic Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom dan Phantom 4. Okay. Ni satu lagi. Satu lagi yang kita kena tahu penting, actually UTHM dia termasuk dalam WMR punya airspace. WMR airspace is restricted area. Kenapa? Sebab kita ada, dekat Keluang tu kita ada base kan, military base. Jadi actually dekat dalam ni UTHM termasuk di dalam military airspace. Jadi kita tak boleh suka-suka hati fly sebenarnya di dalam UTHM.
Okay, faham.
Okay, kalau you dah test nak selamat, you test indoor. Otherwise, we need to get the permission. Okay, helicopter last time we have a meeting, okay, with them, and they said paling rendah dia terbang helikopter setinggi pokok sawit. Sangat rendah. Sangat rendah. Tapi dia bukan sentiasa ada. So bila kita bagi tahu dia, nanti dia akan check lah dia punya jadual, and bila kita dah apply kat dia, dia akan lock lah. So UTHM are going to use this SP from when to when. Okay, time, day, date today from for example 8 to 12. 8 to 12 dia akan lock. So waktu tu space tu kita boleh pakai. And kita kena bagi tahu tinggi. Kita propose kita nak fly up to 50 meters only. Dia check lah. Kalau dia check 50 meter tak boleh, dia bagi approval untuk 30 meters. Then 30 meters saja kita boleh bagi maksimum. Macam mana kita nak tahu 30 meters? Satu, kita boleh tengok dekat screen. Dekat kita punya controller tu, dia ada height dia, altitude. And satu lagi kita boleh setkan dekat dalam kita punya apps. Okay. Dalam apps tu kita maksimum 30 saja, so dia takkan pergi lebih. Dua cara lah. Okay. Kita termasuk dalam ni Ni penting ni.
Penting. Dia melanggar undang-undang ni.
Dia melanggar undang-undang kan. Sebab kadang-kadang kita pun nampak ada kapal terbang lalu kan. Termasuk dalam airspace ni. Helicopter training area. Jadi special permission required from PUTD Keluang untuk yang ni. Okay, untuk detail untuk nak contact, saya tak share kat sini. Kalau ada apa-apa bolehlah nanti contact personal dengan saya.
Boleh.
Okay, sebab yang ni memang kita dah panggil, kita dah meeting pun dengan PUTD Keluang. And dia tahu kita ada activity drone di UTHM. And kita dah meeting lah. Ada cara dia lah. Okay, how to contact them, how to lock the time, the date. Okay, to let them know that we are going to use that airspace at that time.
Okay.
Ni.
Faham. Ini saya baru tahu. Sebab saya difahamkan ada seorang FKEE researcher. Dia tengah gunakan drone untuk communication study lah on the antenna, on the height, right? They want to fly onto the height. So I think this is a very important information for the researcher.
For the researcher, betul.
Ya. Kalau tidak melanggar undang-undang, susah.
Betul. Kadang-kadang kita tengok regulation 140 saja. Dia cakap 400 feet boleh, 120 meter boleh. Itu baru satu regulation. Satu lagi yang ramai yang tak tahu lagi lah. Okay. Kita punya airspace termasuk dalam WMR, military airspace. So we need to get the permission.
Okay, interesting. Yes.
Okay, this is a restricted area. Restricted area pun ada dalam kita punya MK ni. Airspace defined there. This is dalam CAM punya dokumen lah. Dalam regulation. Okay. So for safe drone operation, I share sikit lah. Okay, this is what we call visual line of sight. Kira boleh nampak. Yang tadi 100 meter. Okay, maximum 120 meter or 400 feet. Okay, yang regulation 140 tadi. Okay. And this is the visual observer. Kalau kata you boleh nampak sampai sini saja, tak nampak, then you can appoint lah your visual observer to help you. Dan dia pun tak boleh kena unaided tak boleh ada aided tak boleh ada kamera teropong, controller tak boleh. Controller yang ada smart controller monitor tu tak boleh. Dia kena ada ni dipanggil.
Okey, maksudnya mata manusia lah.
Mata manusia ya.
Okay,
EV loss. Ni ada BV loss satu lagi. BV loss ni ada ini lain sikit lah. Saya tak boleh. Tak sempat lah Dr. T dah cerita macam-macam kan sejam.
Tak apa. Just a general view.
General,
I think it's very informative and a lot of information. For those who interested to get further more, probably we can approach Dr. JUITA lah.
Yeah, sure.
On probably on consultation, or maybe approach the company, the spin-off company for consultation. Mungkin bayar konsultasi lah. Atau ask for help lah, anything, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
As long as kita boleh fly, kita boleh buat research, selamat. Okay.
Yes.
Yang penting,
I think a lot of regulations. So langit itu bukan tak ada orang punya. Langit tu ada hak orang, hak punya. So langit tu they are owners, right, and regulation already.
Dia ada juga. Walaupun kita nampak putih jawad kan, actually kat atas tu dia ada dia punya zone dia, space dia. Dia ada zone dia. Okay, yang ni contohnya remote pilot and uninvolved person. Uninvolved person ni contohnya macam kita fly dekat taman lah. Kat taman ada orang berkelah ke, piknik ke, main bola kat tepi tu. Dia adalah uninvolved person. Okay, perlukan 5 meter if operating a balloon or airship of weight exceed low speed. Ataupun 30 meter. Biasanya kira yang 30 meter ni lah.
So these are the drone operations guideline, right? On land, right? What about somebody who study and use drone on something like offshore or something like this? What is the challenge?
Dia offshore tu saya rasa lebih kepada transmission lah.
Transmission
transmission itu line of sight kan, we lost ni dekat sini. Okay, ini actually apa yang ada dalam regulation 140 tadi. Ini the visual dia.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Okay, these are some very useful apps that you can use. Okay, before you fly, you have to check the weather. Okay, contohnya UAV forecast ni. UAV forecast ni biasanya drone dekat luar akan guna ni lah. Okay, dia akan beritahu at that time the condition is good to fly or not. Okay, contohnya yang left side ni good to fly. Dia tengok wind dia tengok wind visibility, KP, okay, dengan wind speed. Kalau yang ni not good to fly, dia ada gust, and wind direction, and ada beberapa lah kat sini dia akan tengok whether it is good to fly or not good to fly. Okay, ini antara apps ni boleh guna lah. Venture Sky yang ni boleh tengok juga boleh tengok weather. Drone body ni kita boleh tengok lebih kepada area. Is it a fly zone, boleh tak, ataupun no fly zone map? Sebab kat sini dah ada tulis lah kat mana restricted. Yang kita boleh dapat tahu WMR tu pun pakai apps yang macam ni. Okay, dia dah letak. Alright.
Doctor, how about the attendance, doctor?
Attendance.
Okay. I already download the attendance. No worry.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You asked the same question, right? It's nice, right? No problem, right? Because MS Team, they has the features on downloading this attendance. I'm able to check your attendance, right? Once you log in MS Team, I know your attendance if you log in with UTHM email, right? For those who log in outside, I can see your name as a guest. They said, I do not know who you are. If you lock it outside, lock it using your personal email, right? You can try. You
Okay,
can try.
doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Denise.
Okay, this just
Okay,
example.
doctor.
Dekat luar tu actually ada banyak lagi apps yang you boleh explore lah. Okay. Okay, I think this is the last slide. Ni example of the trading. If any of you interested nak trending ke lebih ke, because kita punya modul untuk dapatkan RCOCB, because I pun dah ada RCOCB tu from CAM. It take about 5 days. Okay, theory, practical flying, and then ada exam theory, ada exam flying. Okay, khusus. Okay, this is a simple training that we run in Avitech. Just want to share with you. Okay, okay, that's slide. Drone training.
Yeah, drone training. Oh, dekat atas tu. Okay.
Yeah, dekat atas.
Oh yeah, driving range dekat driving range. Maksudnya kalau khusus ni akan beri kepada peserta kompetensi sertifikat kan nanti?
Yang ni tak. Kalau 2 days kita bagi completion lah.
Completion saja lah. Okay. Oh,
kalau kompetensi 5 days.
Kompetensi 5 days
Dan kena ambil exam. Exam tu soalan dia daripada CAM.
Okay. So the collaboration is between CAM and UTHM lah.
Style kan?
Style memang. Gaya betul.
Okay, the sharing our training yang kita buat. Okay, actually kita modul kita custom lah. Tengok keperluan company ataupun agensi ataupun mana-mana lah, student ke. Okay, kita akan buat ikut keperluan dia. Okay, itu saja.
Terima kasih Dr. JUITA. Okay, I learned from you. I think a lot of us also learn from you. Yeah, a lot of information. Otherwise, we are langgar the law.
Yes.
Tak sedar kita langgar.
Kita tak tahu kan. Ambil gambar sekejap.
Ambil gambar. Okay.
Yes.
I think they have. I think quick scroll through the questions, right?
Okay.
There are a number of questions on the chat box. Probably you may want to answer selectively lah. You don't need to answer all, right? Or anybody who have any question you want to ask now verbally also can.
Overall, tengok okay. What are the criteria for the selecting drone? For selecting a drone, the criteria is depend on what the purpose. Purpose yang you nak tu. Okay, you nak untuk ada yang nak buat cuci kipas masjid lah, Kita jumpa banyak jugalah PSM student. Jadi dia kena tahulah macam mana dia nak attach and the spec, motor spec, okay, yang you pilih tu ASC. Okay, the
Yes,
component tu.
the component lah. There are many of
component.
them, right?
Yang you kena pilih itu yang penting. You tahu purpose dan then you kena tengok komponen dia boleh ke tak untuk nak fulfill that lah untuk run tu. Okay, different between hobbies and compared to commercial. Okay, commercial anything yang dapat duit itu kira commercial.
Okay.
Okay, hobbies yang tak generate duit. Okay, hazard of using drone. Hazard of using drone, satu dia boleh hazard of using drone, bahaya dia ikut crash lah. Crash yang hazard dia ada crash, tapi nak crash tu banyak reason dia, banyak sebab dia. Satu, because of the yang kita boleh control, contohnya kawasan, kita boleh tengok kawasan tu hazard ke tak, okay, lapang ke tak, ada banyak metal pipe ke tak. Okay, itu yang kita boleh control, jangan fly kat situ. Ataupun kalau you nak fly juga, you kena buat risk assessment. Okay, lagi satu hazard yang kita boleh control is the drone itself. You have to make sure the drone memang in excellent condition to fly.
Betul.
Okay, yang lain-lain yang kita tak dapat control, contoh macam weather. Tapi kalau cerah hujan, tiba-tiba hujan, then you panggil balik lah you punya drone. Tak nak di lost connection. Okay, lagi apa lagi hazard lagi yang macam tadi lah, tiba-tiba lost connection, satellite semua tu.
Okay.
Okay, how much the overall cost for the first agriculture drone? First agriculture drone, Doktor ingat tak berapa kita punya grant tu?
I think 56 something like this.
56. Because the agriculture drone tu bukan untuk drone saja, kita buat survey dekat komuniti kat situ kan. Kita nak tengok apa dia punya keperluan dia, and then kita nak develop drone ni. Kalau kita nak develop drone yang pakai 4 motor, jangan beli 4 motor, at least beli double. Dia bukan first time ride punya lah. Selalunya pengalaman kita akan sparekan satu set.
Tapi untuk starter as a hobby, I think there are many choices on Shopee or Lazada as a starter lah, macam palm size, dragonfly, macam Doraemon.
Yang tu kita panggil RTF, ready to fly. Maksudnya you unbox then you boleh fly terus, dah tak payah nak adjust tuning apa-apa. Yang biasanya kalau yang tu kita buat DIY, kita buat daripada scratch. Okay, apa lagi? Venture in drone related to application or total solution include drone or simply hobbies. Apa maksud dia? Any more question? Ini bukan Okay.
Saya mengalu-alu dia orang soalannya.
Okay. Is there any drone competition nationally or international? Ada. Biasanya yang kita pernah masuk pasal drone UTHM, we became top 7 masa tu. Top 7 and kita fly di Putrajaya. Okay, satu lagi drone racing. Drone racing, every year Unimap akan buat Europe. Europe ada drone racing. Dan every year dia punya mission tu lain-lain. Racing tapi adalah kena obstacle lain-lain. Dan kita kena buatlah drone tu. Promotion of scheme of drone education. Promotion of scheme of education di Avitech memang kita ada buat. Kita buat untuk STEM dan juga drone development. Drone development ni tak semestinya untuk STEM saja, untuk agensi-agensi ataupun staff atau student yang nak tahu, nak belajar basic drone. Kenapa pentingnya kita nak belajar basic drone ni? Okay, contohnya you tahu kita kalau untuk drone development program, kita akan bagi drone kit yang scratch. Okay, dia belajar daripada pasang solder, kita tuning, mission planner semua kita akan ajar. Kenapa penting that knowledge? Because if anything happen, you know the basic, then you can repair.
I think that's good. Skill, the skill, hands-on skill,
because
right?
You learn, you understand the fundamental. So kalau yang basic you tahu, ini sebab ESC ni, ini dia punya wire dia, ini selalu macam ni dia punya wire dia terputus. Contohnya macam tu Okay, kita ada di Avitech ada. So many government bodies will to be met. How about if abroad we develop the drone outside? Kalau di luar kita terabide dengan law dekat luar tu lah. Dah tak perlu follow CAM lagi dah. Contohnya kalau ada yang di Singapore allow, it doesn't mean that dekat Malaysia pun boleh. Contohnya. Then kita have to check with local punya authority.
Betul lah. Banyak kena tahulah. So probably we need agency or consultation or services, right, that we look for if we want to spin off venture into a serious activity in research or commercial. Right? So I
Kita
think
kena tahu.
that is the service that we need, right, for commercial purpose, right? So I think that's a lot to today. I think it's half past 12 already.
Already, weh
Okay.
laju je.
Okay,
Tak
laju ya.
perasan kan.
Okay.
Sembang
We enjoy listening to you very much, right? Thank you very much. If there's no more questions from the floor, could you take a group photos?
Oh, please.
Yes. I pledge students and researchers in front of the laptop or even a handphone, right? Please switch on the camera so that we are able to take
nak tengok juga.
Nak tengok muka juga, yeah. Right.
Come on, guys.
Okay. Come on, guys. Yes, please. We take group photos.
Muhammad Fahmi, I see you. Muhammad Hadri. Okay.
Okay, ada yang handsome. Sekejap ya, ambil foto. Ada yang dewasa, ada yang handsome, ada yang cantik, ada yang comel. Okay, I take snap. Let me snap. Okay. Then more, I'll text more.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I think that's enough, right? We have record as well, and later on we are going to post it on YouTube, right? We're going to share with you. Yeah, Chairku, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. I think a lot of you are stay at home, right? Because cuti.
Yeah, we're allowed to give an online lecture.
We are allowed to. Okay, thank you very much. Take good care. I would like to see you all next week. I just want to put a reminder. This is week 6. The coming week 7. Well, we have a very short time to deliver all the project, right? So the project should be complete before 12, right? Week 12, right? So please check out the activity list, right? Ada Tawin activity, right? So please push yourself. Thank you very much. I pledge all students to give applause or maybe voice out to thank Dr. JUITA for her advices and sharing. I think this is a very good advisor and compilation of consultation, right? You can't get these services and advices out unless you spend a lot of time and money. I think this is worth a lot of money actually. the advices from Dr. JUITA. Thank you very much, Dr. JUITA. And anybody of you?
Pleasure.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay, Dr. D. Pleasure.
Thank you very much. See you again, Dr. JUITA.
Okay, guys, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Doctor.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I stop the recording. I just stop the recording. I stop now. Okay, thank you.